OXILAM Auto Accessories LED light, M5S series. Here I have some LED lights. These are headlights. They're going to be for my 2008 Tundra. These are specifically for the low beam, so they are H11s. So these are LED and they're 6500K. What? Gloves provided? That's cool. So you know you don't get your oils from your fingers on the bulbs. You know, just to handle the lights, I'll put them on now and I can wear them again for installation. Oh, these are cool. Pats on back. And that's not my back, but still. Okay, a little product manual. Be hard to look at with the gloves. Yeah, installation on the lights, pretty straightforward. Pull the old ones out, put the new ones in. Wow, that is not a normal light. Feels terribly well balanced. Now I'm excited to get these in. That is incredible. Put these back in until they go in. Put these back in the box until they go into the headlights. Stock headlights. Stock lights. Beam headlights are simple to change. Just twist and pull the old one out. Mine's the H11. This is for the 2007 and up Tundras. Mine's a 2008 specifically. The old one will pop out. And the new one can clip right in, snap right in. The new bulb will be able to slip right into place where the old one came out. It's a direct replacement. Well, due to the size of this rear piece, the headlight bulb cannot just be placed in as easily as this more shallow mounted rear end. So the headlight will have to come forward a little bit, but that's easy. That's 2 screws that require 10mm. So black trim comes off and there's 1 bolt holding it here. Now, that light can come forward and the light will go in. There. It was now installed. Now, be able to use the reverse order, get this light back in, and see how it looks. Process will be required for this side. 2 10mm screws. And there's going to be 1 bolt here. Looking from the back, here's the light bulb. There, it's not going to have enough clearance for the new one to go in. This is the aftermarket light. It's much brighter. It's really hard to show. That's it before going into the assembly. Aftermarket lights installed.